So the cup plant, the gray-headed coneflower, monarda were probably, and stuff that we haven't even seen yet because it's so young. It's you know, young. Like Baptisia is going to take another probably 2 years before it blooms. Liatris will probably be another 2 years before you see it, but it's probably growing out there somewhere. You just don't see it. All came from the Andrews farm, and you went there
3 times.
3 times, yeah, to pick seeds.
That was my first time that I went to pick seeds, so we were out there I think 3.5 hours the first time. Tons of seeds, and then you see it at the seed stage. So now that you see this, you see the results, which is awesome, and then you go, oh, that's what the flower looks like, kind of thing. So it's a good experience.
Cup plant.
See how the cup.
See the water holds in the. That's why they call it a cup plant. And birds actually drink out of it. Yeah. We've had lots of birds. We have
lots of goldfinch here.
Yes, lots of goldfinch. 50, 60 at a time.
Tons of bees.
This is goldenrod, getting ready to come on. We've got still a little bit of ragweed, working on getting rid of that. We had some senna. I'm not sure if I'm saying that right, but I'm not seeing any right now.
That's sneezeweed.
Sneezeweed, this one here?
Yeah. Oh, those are
bee balm?
Bee balm, yeah. That's what I was looking.
We've got some, I'm not seeing any right now. The ironweed.
Ironweed is on the other side, but we got quite a bit of that coming out. Very pretty purple.
This is probably maybe 3/4 of an acre. Then we have another, maybe 1/4 of an acre at the bottom of the property. And then we talked to our neighbor and they did about an acre also. So altogether about 2 acres. A lot of the problem, people are not patient enough. Right. Absolutely, yeah. Yeah, you gotta wait until, everything matures. And if you don't buy spring, there's not a lot of really early spring flowering plants. And if you go May 15th and going, well, this
Nothing's
looks like,
bloomed yet, right?
Nothing bloomed. It's a failure. You're wrong because this is Indiana, and our native plants never bloomed in May. That's the woodlands time.
Right.
The
Right.
bees
Exactly.
blooming.